Hello to everyone who likes gardens and walks. Today we have more gardening than walks because it's beginning of July and we have heat wave. So it is very hot and it's good timing to talk about succulents. Also, in one of my last videos from Wisley Garden, I promised you to show beautiful collection of aeoniums. Now I'm just showing you what can you do, how creative you can be with succulents. Aeoniums, beautiful by themselves. They could make beautiful combination with another succulents. And frankly saying, with any drought-tolerant plants. Of course, planting outside, we should remember what they are not frost resistant. Some of them could stay up to -4, but not all of them. And of course, they need protection, or cold frame, or greenhouse, or even you could take them home. It will be quite nice and sweet for winter. But now let's enjoy this beautiful collection of aeoniums. I don't think what any other succulent will offer such diversity of shapes and colors like aeonium. Some of them have really futuristic appearance. Look at this. They're just amazing. So my target for today is introduce each of these beauty to you, and if one of it will grab your heart, you easily could find more information in internet because you will know exact the name of the plant. Aeonium usually flowering in winter, and you can see one of the flowers which was in greenhouse in the garden where I'm working for 15 years. This is big cluster of flowers, and the branch which produce it will die after flowering, and the plant will give branches from the side. I hope this video was useful for you and you really fall in love with this beautiful plant. It's very architectural, it's trouble-free, and with global warming, I think it's one of the plants what you have to have in your garden. In next video I will show you dry garden at Sissenhurst. If we want to be happy gardeners for a happy gardens, we have to choose the right plants for the place and for the climate. And of course our climate become more and more warmer.
Yes. It's not time yet.
Yeah, I think
It's just 12.
Yeah.
So we've got
It wouldn't be just dry garden, it will be much more. But this will be next time. But today I have to say goodbye. If you like this video, please support us with thumb up, with your comment, and of course subscribe if you haven't done it yet. You will not miss another beautiful walk.
Be able to get out through there. Oh, dear.
Have a nice day, see you next time, and bye now.